First day of February, and it's about 5 a.m. and I have not slept. I'm still not going to sleep. I said I would sleep, but I'm not sleeping. Still working on my edits, my cuts, and having sushi. Early morning munchies. Why I'm not sleeping, I don't know. Right now it's about 8 a.m. and I'm finally going to sleep. Oh my goodness. Good night. I'll see you in a bit. It is 11 a.m. and I didn't go to sleep yet. My butt did not go to sleep. I went back to work. Still staring at this all day. Got me a burger. And back to the grind. Okay, I went to sleep for maybe 4 hours. It's about 5 p.m. right now and I'm up. Getting back to the computer again. It is 11, almost 11 p.m. and it looks like I've exhausted myself within the past couple of days that I am crashing right now. I'm going to go to sleep and I'm pretty sure I'm back on schedule. Yes. Hallelujah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.